Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this phone number has already been used too many times for verification. So guys, if you are trying to create a Google account and you are stuck on this problem and you are unable to verify your phone number, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, there are multiple reasons for that. You can face this issue on your Google account as well. So guys, here I have searched that reasons why you are facing this issue. So guys, the first reason is that too many accounts. So guys, if you have used this phone number to verify multiple Google accounts, then you may not be able to verify this phone number again on the new account. So guys, first reason is that you have to simply make sure that you have not used this phone number for creating multiple Google accounts. So guys, if you are trying to create account, you have to simply use another phone number or new phone number to create your account. So guys, the first reason is that, and the second reason is that suspicious activity. So guys, the number has been associated with an account involved in spamming, pushing, or other suspicious activity which may restrict you to create account on this phone number again. So guys, the third reason is that you have to simply make it sure that your phone number is not previously used by someone else to verify many accounts. So guys, if the other person has used your number to verify his accounts, then you will not be able to use it on your account. So guys, the fourth reason is that unsupported region. The phone number is from a country or region not supported for Google phone verification. So guys, if you are living in a country where Google has not supported this number to create account, then you will not be able to create account for this phone number as well. So guys, these are the reason which may occur when you are trying to create a new Google account. So guys, I suggest you to create a Google account using a new phone number, and after this you will be able to create a new Google account very easily. So guys, this is the way which you can follow to create a new account if you're facing this problem again and again. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.